50 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट वैल्यू दी हुई है इस रिएक्शन की, विच इज 7.36। तो रिएक्शन है प्रोपानिक एसिड reacting with ethyl alcohol forming ethyl propionate and water. Now at 50 degree centigrade 0.5 moles of propionic acid present है, 0.5 moles of ethyl alcohol present है, and we have to calculate the weight of ethyl propionate formed. Now, as can be seen from the balanced reaction, 1 mole of propionic acid reacts with 1 mole of ethyl alcohol to form 1 mole of ethyl propionate and 1 mole of water. So Z moles of propionic acid will react with Z moles of ethyl alcohol to form Z moles of ethyl propionate and Z moles of water. तो जो remaining ethyl alcohol है वो है 0.5 minus Z because initially 0.5 moles of ethyl alcohol present था. Now remaining moles of propionic acid है 0.5 minus Z because initially 0.5 moles of propionic acid was present, and moles of ethyl propionate at equilibrium is Z moles and moles of water is Z moles. तो Kc की वैल्यू हो गई product of the concentration of products, that is Z square, divided by product of the concentration of reactants, that is 0.5 minus Z whole square. न्यूमरेटर में है Z into Z, that is Z square, और डिनोमिनेटर में है concentration of propionic acid multiplied by concentration of ethyl alcohol. दोनों की concentration 0.5 minus Z है तो डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया 0.5 minus Z square, and this is equal to 7.36. Now taking square root on both the sides, Z divided by 0.5 minus Z is equal to 2.7, and then Z is equal to 0.365. So moles of ethyl propionate is 0.365 moles. Now weight of ethyl propionate will be equal to moles of ethyl propionate multiplied by molecular weight of ethyl propionate, that is 102. So 0.365 into 102 is equal to 37.23 gram.